What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. And this is our first ever mailbag kind of episode wherein we got the questions from you guys. Naglabas kami ng Instagram story asking what are the five topics you want us to talk about. Naglabas ako ng YouTube community post to ask again the same thing. And we got some really interesting questions ma- with questions, of course, appropriate muna na tomorrow na kasi yung UAP season. So ito yung mga five topics natin, all from you guys. Thank you. So again, we want to encourage all of you to send in your questions in the future. May it be in the comments, may it be... Actually, maglalagay ako ng pinned comment sa video na to when it's uploaded on YouTube. Suggest topics there and we're gonna credit you guys. So the five topics, share na ba natin, Mario? Yung
Yeah,
five
go lang, dude.
topics. The UAP
Yeah.
Power Rankings. Number two is UAAP Preseason Mythical 5 and MVP candidates. Number three, what is your take on our current players' grassroots development? Number four, what are your quick thoughts on the Alas men's in a way magical run nung group stage in a tournament that nobody expected us to win a single game nor a set? And last at number five is sorry, I lost my shirt. Number five, PBA Power Ranking. So, sasagutin natin lahat yan. Anyway, guys, hello, Nico, Mario, and Graham.
Hello. I'm super excited for this episode kasi yun
First
nga,
mailbag episode.
it's the first time that we're
Yeah.
doing this like random whatever. Actually, naisip namin to kasi last time nung nag-record kami, when we went
Mm.
off air, me and Graham got into a very heated debate. Um,
Oh my God, don't even.
we got into a
Please.
very heated debate regarding LA Tenorio, and it kind of sparked the idea of this whole hey man, what if we just do an episode kung saan random pag-usapan natin, and let's see if it clicks. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And the first one we have is UAAP Power Rankings.
You want to do the
Di ba
honors
Graham, may
first,
hot take,
Mario?
may hot take ka dun, di ba?
Oh, Lasal winning it all? Yeah. It's my hot take.
Ah, dang! Grabe yun. Ang init
Yeah.
nun.
Naunahan kita, right?
Oh, dude, I was gonna say the same thing. Like, how did you guess
Nobody saw
that one? Wait lang,
nobody
alam
saw
ko,
it
wait
coming,
lang.
man.
Wait lang. Sure ako may... Wait lang. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it.
Mm.
Wait. Give me a second. Ayan. Ganyan siya kainit. Oh.
What's that? Oh my God,
Fire.
wow.
Yeah, yung
Ganyan siya.
reactions yan. Fire. Yun lang alam ko yung lumalabas sa Zoom. Oh, yun, boom! May fire! May fireworks!
Whoa!
That's in an ano
Ganyan.
because of the UAP opening
Galing nun
today
ah.
in UST.
Paano yun? Gusto ko
Magano
yun
ka,
ah.
double thumbs up ka. Hold
Okay,
mo.
anyway. So yeah, obviously I think for many number one is DLSU. Are we really is anybody gonna contest that the number one on DLSU?
Mm.
Even if they lost KQ, man, you gained Mason Amos, you gained Kian Baclaan, you gained Jacob Cortez, you gained Luis Pablo, you still have Mike Phillips, and you have good returning players kay Voris, kay JC, kay EJ Goliena. So I feel like they're still number one. I feel even if they didn't win the championship last year, I think this year, considering sino yung mga naiwan, sino yung mga nadagdag, I think DLSU still number one.
Yeah, so we're gonna all gonna give our power rankings. So we're going to go through it very quick and then explain na lang
Yeah,
ano din in summarize because we have five topics. Okay,
sure.
go Mario.
So yeah, I have
Lasal,
DLSU,
number one.
LaSalle, and then
Who's number two?
sorry, if I'm being so honest, I did not expect to give a full power ranking. Does anybody want to go first?
Oh, I have na. Ako na
Go
muna.
lang, go.
So
Go, go,
mine's
go, go.
number one, Lasal. Even though na sila yung natalo sa finals last season, they look more loaded compared to UP that lost QMB. Francis Lopez, JD Kagulangan, and Aldous Torculas to some aspect, no? That's a big four na nawala sa roster nila. So, it's Lasal, UP defending champs. Number three, Ateneo. Number four, UST, the host. Number five, NU. Actually, close ang UST NU. They could definitely switch depende on how NU plays, especially as long as their FSA holds up. Kasi last year nadali lang sila kay Modia sana with his unfortunate injury. Um, Adamson, FEU, and UE.
Oh,
That's my power ranking. That's from 1 to 8. Power rankings lang naman. I won't give any record. Basta power rankings lang entering the season. Graham?
I'm gonna do my power rankings with teams that I think have power. You know, those that do not have power, like UE. Not gonna mention them. Uh,
This
so
guy.
Mention mo na,
This
1 to
uh,
8 naman
guy.
eh. You have to rank
This
it. That's the request of
guy. He's
our...
not wrong. He's not wrong.
all right, it's not
You're not gonna give a record naman eh. You're not gonna give a record.
okay.
It's
It's
All
just
right, so
1 to 8.
kinda nuts for
okay.
him to say that though, but go lads.
Bro, it's called power rankings for a reason, right?
Brother, we
But
literally
hey,
talked to John. We literally talked to
We just
John.
literally talked to John. Pero
We
sige,
just
go, Graham.
interviewed John. And then you're
that's
gonna
one of
say
the
that
few episodes that I was in, and oh my god, man. Hey, it doesn't matter. It's the Sun. I mean, it's the Sun number one. For the reasons you guys just said. I think they should have won the title last year, to be honest. Then
If KQ played
UP.
the last 3 minutes, yeah.
Oo, kung nakapasok siya.
Yeah,
Because it took him a while to get back.
yeah.
Then
Didn't
UP. Okay. This guy's just playing devil's advocate. And then number three, I have Ateneo. I just really have so much trust in Coach Tab. His
Mm-mm.
system should have really be coaching the national team, but that's a story for another day. I have NU getting in. I had a hard
you?
time picking between NU and UST
Oh.
to get to the final four and get kicked by LaSalle in one game, but I have NU
And
finishing
you,
fourth. Yeah, NU and then UST.
number 5 UST.
Adamson, yep. Then Adamson comes next. FEU and UE, Battle of Moraita.
FEU,
Well, I
Which
mean,
feel ko FEU will have more wins than UE by far. I think they'll have
I
three,
know,
four
I
more
know.
wins than...
It's just that yeah, the floor will be set by UE will be so low.
Basement
Uh,
3?
this guy
Basement...
just
Sobrang daming jobs to UE. Pag
this
kasi si
guy
Grim
just
naman titirahin, hindi naman tayong dala Mario. We're just like, oh,
it's
okay.
like after this the comment section will just be hating on Graham. It's like Nico and I didn't say anything else. In this whole
Si Graham lang yung may podcast.
tas
Di-
ang kapal kasi siya pa yung naka-red sa ating lahat. Siya pa yung naka-red. So like,
No
hey,
Hinebra fans will be here to save you, Graham. They don't watch you.
yeah. Ayun. For me, man, I said DLSU, di
Yeah.
ba? I'll switch it up. I think Ateneo is number two. I think Ateneo is
Hmm.
number two.
Spicy. Okay.
Um, for Ateneo number two, UP number three. I have UST number four, NU, FEU, Adamson, UE.
Okay.
So, I think you and Nico had the same Grim. Tas ako, I switched
Switch mo yung Ateneo.
Ateneo and
Itinaas mo pa.
UP. Dude, kasi, I understand. Well, again, I'm taking this on a point of view that I've been watching all their games
And
in the
literally covering the
preseason.
team.
I've been covering them from the end of last season to the start of this one, man. And to me, UP lost major players in JD Kagulangan and QMB who are not easy holes to fill sa tingin ko. Even if they get Noy Remogat to replace JD, medyo malaking butas ang QMB sa tingin ko. I know Gani is there to play very well pero medyo malaki-laki talaga ang QMB hole. And Ateneo, for me, they have two, mainly two, pero actually, no, mainly three, pero maybe four pieces na bago na Kimani Ladi, Dom Escobar, Divine Adili, and Jaden Lazo, who are all expected for me, all expected, at least one of them, I think ends up being Mythical 5. Tapos yung sa FEU and Adamson, I don't know, dude, I loved that episode with Joric. It made me a firm believer in Joric Bautista and the FEU Tamara. So I think they finish ahead of Adamson. Yeah, then USTNU, it can go either way sa tingin ko sa USTNU. Depende lang yun on, I guess, number one, sino FSA ng NU. Tapos sa UST, sino walang topak that day.
Okay. So move on to the next topic. The UAP preseason Mythical 5 and MVP candidate. So want me to go
Preseason,
first?
Mythical 5?
I mean, who
I
is
mean,
your
your
right
preseason
now?
pick.
Right now. I mean, like sorry,
Before
like
the season
preseason pick,
starts.
like
Sorry.
before
Yeah.
before this. Yeah, this is what they meant. Uh the one who sent the
Okay,
question
okay.
wants us to give our mythical 5 this early. Na wala pa
Okay,
tayong
okay.
nakikita. So I'll give my 5. Kay Manny Ladi, in no particular order, just the 5. Kay Manny Ladi, Motong Kara, Mike Phillips, Nick Cabanero, and Harold Alarcon.
Mo Tungkara.
Bawal ba ang FSA na mag-MVP?
Mo Tungkara is UST, di
FEU.
ba?
FEU.
Ah,
Ay,
sorry,
Mo
sorry, sorry.
Konate. Sorry, Mo
Konate, yeah,
Konate. Sorry.
Tungkara is the graduate of UST.
Sorry. Let
Graduate.
me repeat. Yes. Yeah. No, he didn't graduate. He left.
Oh,
Yeah.
Konate. Yeah, I remember that guy.
Konate
Kay
is the
Manny
one. Yeah, yeah,
Ladi,
yeah. That's what I was like.
Mo
Okay.
Konate. Sorry, ang dami nilang Mo eh. Kay Manny Ladi, Mo Konate, Mike Phillips, Nick Caballero, and Harold Alarcon. And then if I'm gonna make MVP, my MVP is Mike Phillips. Just
But
to
this
choose
year,
my.
bago na siya, di ba? May FSA MVP na rin.
Yeah,
So,
so
who would be
ako
your
FSA
FSA
MVP ko
MVP?
is Konate. Konate. Slightly edging out ako eh.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it. For
Are
me,
you?
Graham, you wanna go first or ako na?
No, you go first.
I think I have Mike Phillips. I have Dom Escobar over Kimani. I have Dom, but I know Kimani is gonna be good. Harold Alarcon, I agree. I think this is the year for Harold Alarcon to really, really show his shit. Um, that's the three so far. I'm gonna say it. I think Mason Amos
Okay,
takes
like
something
okay.
here. I think it
Mm,
goes Mason in this one. And then I think I'm cooling a guard, right?
yeah.
I'll go Monty.
Monty, okay.
I'll go
So ito
Monty.
yung season niya na nag-catch up na yung playmaking niya siguro sa scoring.
I think yung sa last two slots, it's either between Monty and Joric. Yun yung, last
Pwede.
one slot. Between Monty or Joric lang yun for me.
MVP mo.
MVP, Mike Phillips, I think probably runs away with this MVP award.
Yeah.
Kind of wild that neither of us have mentioned Kian Baklaan, by the way. But and FSA MVP
Kasi feel ko
probably
Jacob and Kian are gonna take stats away from each other. No, I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, kasi
it's
sa UAP kasi, di ba,
Mm-hmm.
it's statistical points. So,
yeah,
it's not hindi in favor dun sa dalawang guardian na yun.
yeah, not wrong.
Oh.
And actually that's why I can't put two Ateneo players in the same one. And actually medyo na-realize ko rin na medyo mali yung Mason Amos kasi Mike and Mason, but I'll just keep it there because I love Mace. FSA MVP probably either Mo Konate or Colin Zakowe. I heard Colin Zakowe is an absolute animal. So
Yeah, we've
I
seen
wouldn't be
him. We've
surprised.
seen him play. So,
When did we see Colin Zakowe play?
Asia Basket.
So Collins na ba yun?
What do you mean? He was there.
Si Collins na yun?
Oh, Asia
Sorry.
Basket Invitational Mario, yung
Not
nagpasok.
the
Yeah,
not
yeah,
the
yeah,
not the
Invitational. Yeah, yeah,
collegiate.
yeah. The
Okay, okay.
Invitational. Yung nagpasok sila ng mga Hong Kong
Yeah,
team.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
thought it
yeah,
was
yeah.
the collegiate tour.
No, no, no,
Kasi,
no, no. He wasn't there. Tama ka naman dun. He wasn't there. Si Osang yung time na yun. I
yeah.
don't think they even participated
The
nung
collegiate?
collegiate.
Hindi ko maalala.
Wala sila nun. Sa invitational sila.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay. Graham, go ahead.
All right, I'm gonna prove you all wrong. Jacob Cortez makes the mythical five for me. The
Okay.
last memory of
Over
me of
Kian?
Jacob, yeah, the last time
Over
of
Kian.
the yeah, my
I
last
get
memory
Grim.
of Jacob is a great
Champion.
player
King
wearing
Lion.
red and
Yep.
white, diba? So I think he's good enough to uh yeah transfer that to the UAAP. Nick Caballero gets in for me in my ballot. Uh and then si Koji. I like Koji. And
Koji!
then I
Wow!
yeah.
Should we do a rookie of the
Koji!
year?
Pwede. Rookie of the
Later
year
na.
ko
Graham,
though.
finish first. Graham, finish
Go,
first.
finish. Sorry, Graham. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
My God, can you okay, got it. Um and then si Kimani Ladi, I have him sa four as my mythical team member. And the MVP is gonna be Mike Phillips. Hindi pa siya nag-MVP, di ba? It's Mike Phillips.
Di pa.
Siyempre,
Okay.
may Kevin
So,
Kiambao pa siya nun.
Tapos may KQ sila eh.
yeah. That
KQ siya nun.
okay. It's his
Siya lang.
time. Parang gumraduate na kasi lahat eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Ng and but the only thing that I can see preventing him from winning MVP is pag si Mason nga really breaks out this season. It will be very, very difficult
Although you
for
can play together Mike and Mason, it's actually a great tandem to play
Mike and
together.
Mason
They
work
should
so well.
spam the hell out of Mason and
well,
Mike.
Bro, kasi si Mike, kaya niya magdala ng bola eh. So imagine like a
To a
four.
certain extent, he cannot bring it
Mm.
down.
He can play like a point guard, pero he can
It's like
dribble.
Christian Stan Hardinger kind of thing,
Oh
yeah.
Type. Yeah.
yes,
Mike.
yes.
Yeah.
C
That's why I
stand, yeah,
like.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I would love to see DLSU run a 4-5 pick and roll. Yung Mason is setting for Mike. Because I think that's very hard to defend. Kasi if Mason pops and Mike is driving to the rim, you have to choose between letting probably the best big man shooter in the UAAP take an open three, or you let Mike dunk in your face. It's a wrinkle I think they add to their offense this
Dali
year.
lang ang defend nun, brother. Pasok mo lang yung 12th guy mo, commit 4 fouls early in the quarter, tapos pick and roll, hold Mike Phillips, and then make him shoot free throws.
He's gotten
Actually,
better sa free throws though. Just saying.
he's still not that guy when it comes
So
to free
rookie of the year
throws.
mo, Graham Koji.
Koji ka?
Yeah.
Yeah, when
Oh,
it comes to
Mine's
that.
Earl Medina. Adamson.
Rookie Earl Medina. Yeah,
Earl
that's
Medina.
not bad. Um, do Silamani and Escobar count as rookies?
No, you need the rookies na ano kasi, full five.
Talaga?
They don't
Yun yung
count. One and
yun
dones
yung
don't
rule nila
count.
dun.
Mm.
Okay, I didn't know that.
It's okay.
I would probably lean towards Koji as well. I'd
You're
probably
Koji.
lean.
Kayong dalawa.
Yeah, yeah,
Napanood
bro,
ko
it's
kasi
Kevin
na-cover
Durant.
ko kasi to si Koji. Magaling magaling
Paano
talaga
mo
tong
na-cover?
bata na to. I think
Pinanood
if
niya
my memory serves me right
pinanood niya
sa Pilipinas Super League they used to play there.
Ah, oo, sa PSL. Like PSL ata
Oo,
yun.
yung bago pa nung old management. Nandun pa nga si Andre Dungo before ano.
Sina ano ba to?
Great.
Sino ulit yung former PBA player na commissioner nung dati?
Si si Leo Isaac,
Isaac!
right?
Leo Isaac. Oo.
So nandun yan na-cover ko to magaling talaga to. Sila ni Andre Dungo yung magaling dun sa
Pampanga
UST.
something parade. Pampanga.
Oh, yung ano, yung batang, yeah, that's right, that's right. Nandun nga
Yeah, the
sila.
name eh. I
So,
forgot the name.
mhm.
Something parade,
Yeah,
lanterns ba or something. Basta parang ganun weird.
kalaban
Until
na
this
sila Himao, di
NPBL.
ba? Kalaban na sila Himao,
Mm.
who were the farm fresh something.
Speaking
Oh
of
yeah.
that, I wonder where
Anyway,
that
let's
guy
move on
is.
to the number three. We have sorry. What is your take on our current players' grassroots development? Do I go first or you wanna go first, Mario? Si Mario tumawa na siya eh.
Honestly, I don't hate it. I don't hate kasi we have produced, I think, really good talent from grassroots programs. Kevin Kiambao, Carl Tamayo, Koji Buenaflor,
Kai Soto.
um, huh?
Kai
Kai,
Soto's part of grassroots.
I mean,
Yeah.
most of
Because he's
his
still
development
7'3".
was not. Brother, most of his development was when he was abroad, man. When I'm
Ah,
talking
okay,
about
okay,
this.
okay, 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 okay. Tama, tama, tama.
Koji Buenaflor, Harold Alarcon, Jerry Abad, yeah, the NU,
Yung
the
NU,
Maroon 5,
Maroon
the
5
Maroon
Yeah,
natin.
5,
Maroon
which
5.
I hate by the way, but I'm not gonna deal with. Justin Baltazar, I think, is a grassroots player who we consider. Justin Arana, all those dudes, and yeah, I think sa young people natin, medyo okay yung grassroots program right now. It just so happens na once it's funny kasi sa grassroots siya okay. So when you get higher and higher, dun siya medyo na na na-turn for some reason. 'Di ba dapat baliktad 'yun? Or baka I'm misunderstanding it. Pero for me, dapat baliktad 'yun na you at the peak level is kung saan ka pinaka makaka-develop.
Hindi.
Pero yun
Hindi,
nga
sige,
yung
go. That's
problema
your
eh.
point. Go, I'll do mine.
Yeah.
Sige.
Yun nga yung problema for me eh. Like, I think once they reach the pro level, dun sila nagkaka-stagnation. Kasi wala na silang makaharap na talagang, yun nga, we talked about this in the last episode where somehow somebody still disagreed. That was the funniest comment on earth. If you are back on this one, man, shout out to you. You made me laugh so hard. You made Graham laugh harder. That was hilarious, man. Um,
Burner account ni Kinito.
yung burner niya, brother. Grabe yung burner niya. Pinaglaban niya talaga ng malita. Pero, yeah, I don't hate our grassroots program, man. It's produced some really good talent. We could even say it produced Juan. Diba? When Juan went abroad, it produced SJ, it produced RJ.
Dami.
Like,
Sobrang dami. Basta madami.
it's produced a lot of pretty really good basketball players. I don't hate it. I wish na our program could stay in the Philippines but allow them to continue to develop. Yun lang yung hope ko sana.
Okay, sa side ko naman kasi, address the under 16 ano kasi. So, there was a tournament na most recent sa FIBA under 16. It's the first time we didn't make it to the quarterfinals. And I think that's the reason why this question was addressed, no? We're
Mhm.
currently in a transition kasi
Yeah.
with Coach L.A. Tenorio na admittedly hindi parang it wasn't expected na ano, so parang it kind of threw SCB in a limbo na about their plans, about the players they wanna get for the program. Kaya medyo nagkadedeleche yung under 16. And that's part of transitioning when it comes to building a team. Kasi Coach LA might have players on his own mind. The previous coach, Coach Josh, might have players in mind. So, kaya medyo nagkagulo yung grassroots natin. But I feel like sa next FIBA Asia, makaka-bounce back naman tayo. Kasi medyo ano nga, the under 16 team was really underwhelming. Inamin rin naman ng SBP ni Miss Erica D na it was, she was, disappointed din sa nangyari.
Mhm.
Kasi first time ever, hindi tayo nakapasok sa FIBA under 16. But, pero on the positive side, gaya na sabi ni Mario, so far naman, we have produced local talent to compete in the international stage. A lot can still improve when it comes to the senior level. Pero sa grassroots, at least okay. Wala naman akong masyadong reklamo. And I wanna
Yeah.
give LA Tenor the benefit of the doubt kasi bago nga lang siya. So I don't wanna pounce on him na kasi parang, di ba, he's just new. New
He's a new
coach din.
coach.
New
Yeah, he's a
coach din
new
talaga.
coach.
So, yun.
I'm sure when if Magnolia goes on a losing streak, it's
Ano,
gonna I'm sure that everybody will be calling
tinitrigger
him
mo na
the
naman si
head.
Graham, ah. Of Gremnel.
I'm sure
Eh,
everyone
si
will be
Graham,
calling for his
si
head.
Graham matutuwa sa akin. Gaganon si Graham. Feeling ko ganun lang
Hindi,
siya.
pero yung point is, every team that goes through a new coach will have a
There's
struggle
really a
period talaga.
transition talaga.
Pagka,
Yeah.
it's a new system in its entirety. I don't think, Graham, correct me if I'm wrong, pero when Hinebra got Coach Tim from Magnolia, didn't they
May
also have a
transition
bad
period, di ba?
start?
There's a
Yeah,
transition period.
there's always a
Meron ba,
transition
Graham?
period.
Or did you guys start
There
winning
was
like,
two conferences made the
Yeah,
that's
quarters,
like a year.
got
That's like
eliminated.
6 to 8 months, right? That's 6 months.
yeah,
Mga 5 to 6
That's
that's
right.
months.
how
Mm-hmm.
That's how long it'll take to learn. And then I wonder who the best player in Ginebra was at that time. But aside from that, man, it's it's
Mga may agenda, putik. Okay, yeah, yeah. And then, sige, we have two more
yeah.
topics, boys.
Yes,
It's ano.
Go
yes.
ahead, Jim.
The
Graham,
reason Mario's laughing, explain ko lang mabilis, is after last episode, sabi niya, LA Tenorio was never the best player in Ginebra.
na-trigger din si
I don't think he
we
was. I
we
don't think he was.
we went Stephen A and Skip Bayless for like 10 minutes. But hey, I agree with you, Mario, yung last part na bago kasi si Coach LA, eh, di ba? But the first time he handled yung under 16, I think yun yung sa ano, di ba? Sa Pampanga ata when they won the championship. Is that right? Yun yung first time niya
Double check.
hinandle yung mga bata. Yung
Let me double check.
nag-champion sila. If I'm not mistaken, just correct me if I'm wrong while you're finding the article. But it's a new system, kaka turnover lang from Coach Josh Reyes, 'di ba? So I really hindi ako ganun ka-worried pagdating sa grassroots program natin because in about 2 to 3 years kapag full na yung grass ni Coach LA, it still feels weird to call him
Pero
Coach LA.
kung 2 to 3 years ganito pa rin, then I feel like medyo pababa
I
tong
don't know, of
grassroots.
course.
Oo, imagine mo in 2 years
Yeah,
ganito pa rin. Parang,
something has to change, brother,
Oo.
kapag ganun pa rin, 'di ba? But isang tournament pa lang naman yun eh na ano na hindi maganda yung pinakita nila. Now, if we show bad outing sa mga susunod na tournament, and when I say bad, talagang really bad when we used to be good in those tournaments, then probably it's not the right fit or we're doing something wrong. But for now, I'm gonna give si LA the benefit of the doubt na he's gonna fix this thing. Hindi naman
Just to
ganun kalaki
clarify,
yung
Off the
problema eh, di
Dow.
ba?
just to
Mhm.
clarify, yung 16 yung championship ni Coach LA, so yung 16 was the SEA game, SIABA qualifiers.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean, we're
yun pala.
expected to win that
Southeast,
one.
yeah, that's Southeast Asia.
Well,
Yeah, we lost
that's
yung
Really,
U16 under
yeah, yeah,
16 Asia.
yeah, that's
sa
Asia.
Asia.
Yeah,
Oo.
Asia, I think a lot. harder to win. Well, we've
Did
seen
we
it
used to
naman.
dominate yung yung field na yun, yung Asia
Yung
or no?
Asia
Hindi rin
Cup,
naman.
kasi yung Asia Cup, we don't dominate but we make it to the quarterfinals, we make it to... Basta umaabot tayo sa playoffs. Ito, group stage pa lang, tanggal na tayo.
Tanggal
Like,
ka
hindi
na
tayo
agad.
qualify to...
Yeah.
Well,
First time ever in history, ever since they did this, ano. Okay, habang wala si Boss Mario, let's now move on to the fourth question. What are your thoughts on the men's Alas volleyball team? For me, at least ako, as simula sa pinaka-newest fan at pinaka-bago sa volleyball, it got me hooked na mas naging interested ako sa volleyball because of these two guys. Maganda yung pinakita rin ng team because of, yun nga, may projections na we weren't supposed to win a set. Ito yung mga nababasa ko prior. We
mhm.
weren't supposed to do this, that, and everything. But for me, dahil lang sa nabasa ko, it really clear, what do you call this? Exceeded all expectations. Kaya natuwa ako.
Yeah.
And tama, Mario, tama. I read that from the GC kasi wala talaga ako alam eh. I had to
Yeah.
read from what these guys have been telling me. And then, yeah, I mean, I'm a new fan. Hindi ko naman sasabihin na alam ko lahat. But so for me, nag-enjoy ako. I was watching it when I was at home. And that for me is a big win already for a guy who just watches women's volleyball lang. Because of na Eliza
Yeah.
Valdez that's really started.
Uh,
Kayo,
I guess
thoughts on
I'll
the
go next.
men's Alas FIVB performance?
Brother, I know there will be some people out there who will say na there are some people out there who will be so negative and say na talo pa rin naman sila so ano pa kanyo or whatever. But I don't think you guys understand na number 7 when we started the
Seven,
tournament number
80?
82 tayo. 82,
88,
something
I
like that.
think.
Hindi, that was
88,
after
88.
the
The
88 was
win.
after the Tunisia game. Di ba?
Tunisia game, got it. Got it.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
before that they were like 80 or 82 or something like that. I'm not super sure. Um and we beat number 21 in the world in Egypt, which is a major win by the way. Kasi man, again, these aren't teams who we usually ever competed with in any chance.
Champions yan sa Africa. Egypt.
Yeah. Yeah. And then in against Iran, that was just one of the best performances I've ever seen from an entire team together. The playmaking of Josh Retamar, the Brian Bagunas, by the way, is an absolute stud.
Gets mo ba't
Mm-hmm.
nag-Japan eh, no?
Yeah, like there's a reason Brian Bagunas is one of the few. Dalawa ata sila. I think Mark is also in went to Japan.
Espejo. Mm.
Yeah, Espejo. You can understand why those two people are Japan holdovers. Pero ang gusto ko lang i-point out is good luck to the UAAP, man. Kasi Leo Ordiales is a sophomore. Leo
Yes.
Really?
Ordiales is a
Where
yes,
Yes.
does he
NU,
study?
NU.
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 He's a second year player of
Si
NU.
Ordiales, di ba ang galing niya
Yeah,
kahapon?
exactly. Even in the second game against Egypt, he was very good.
Pangit lang yung
So,
first game niya, di ba? Yung 2 points ba? Siya ba yun? Yung two
yung
points?
Yeah,
Tunisia
sa
kasi
Tunisia.
everybody had a bad game except Brian in the Tunisia game, man. I think that
Nag-super
was
off
just nerves.
tayo.
That was just nerves, dude. That was just nerves for sure.
Mm.
Kasi, brother, this guy is coming back to the UAAP and has 3 or 4 more years of eligibility. I don't know what's gonna happen. Kung kinakarnya niya ang Iran and Egypt, paano pa kaya ang UAAP? I'm not saying that the UAAP doesn't have that talent, but dude, he's gonna be an absolute stud again this year. And before I passed over to Graham, dude, super major shout out to Josh Ibanez. For those who don't know, Josh Ibanez isn't really a libero. Josh Ibanez is
Yeah.
a opposite, Graham?
Super
Oh,
mega
outside.
duper no outside spiker.
Outside, yes, outside. Go ahead.
Yeah. No, I was about to go to Josh kung hindi ka nagpunta doon. Good luck. Good luck to everyone facing UST because their liberos are good. Tapos dadagdag mo to si Josh who from behind can hit you. Tapos from pag nasa harapan siya, of course, can do damage. And I think I just look yung lineup sa VDig. Trevor, no, sorry, Josh Ibanez and si Leo Ordiales are both in the lineup. I'm not sure how updated this is. But I may be covering them in a couple of weeks and their team are still alive. So
Mm.
sobrang sakit ng pagkatalo kahapon. Like
Yeah.
But if you're new to volleyball, this is kind of good and bad. Good because it's really a good game. And sabi nga ni Mario, how can you not like volleyball? Bad because you can't expect every game to be like this.
Yeah,
Parang
that's the
if your
truth.
first time watching the World Cup, yung last time Argentina versus France, you think,
It's not
oh, this
always
is
like that.
why football
Yeah.
is the best game in the world, number one sport in the world. But not every game's gonna be like that. That's
Mm.
all
Yeah.
I'm gonna say. Super sakit ng pagkatalo. As in, hanggang ngayon, there are times na naaalala ko pa rin like, what if the net touch did not happen, di ba? If that's the
Yeah.
challenge. But it is what it is. It is the right call.
Yeah.
Yeah, you cannot complain about that. And I see some people still bringing up the
Stop
PLDT
that.
net fault.
Yes.
Yeah, which I'm gonna defend the PVL. That's the right call to that there was no net fault, but I don't want to debate that. All
Mm.
I'm saying is men's volleyball is gaining some traction and it's really really good because men's volleyball is good. Yung women's volleyball is good kasi mahaba, entertaining, and matagal mamatay yung bola. Men's volleyball is so good, ang bilis mamatay ng bola. And yung backline, yung back row line, it's just a design, brother. It
Kasi
doesn't
di
Yeah.
mo
matter to
maano
them.
eh, no?
It
Grabe.
doesn't matter to them. It
Bro,
doesn't matter.
for players like Josh Ibanez, dude, Josh Ibanez, I think is better from the back row than he is from the front row.
That is
There are
right.
moments,
As a
right, man?
spiker, yeah.
Yeah, as a spiker, he's insane.
Yeah, and these guys, most of these guys, except Bagunas and Espejo, they'll be back in action. The Spikers turf is going to be
Yeah,
opening next month. In there's normally promotions that buy one take one ticket. So
yeah.
if you want to see these guys perform at their not not this peak, but a level below that, then
Ibang klase
you're
yung
gonna see
peak
them.
ng ano.
Brother,
This is
not
peak
just if
men's
you want to
volleyball.
see them, not just if you want to see them. If you want to see Graham also,
Oh
then
yeah,
probably
Actually, si Spikers ka
probably
pala,
right.
Grem, no?
yeah.
He
I
is
do.
spiker.
Yeah,
Once
that
yeah,
is
he
right.
does, he does. But also, I want to add this, and this is just like a major thing. Iba ang
Mm.
nagagawa. I love reading this. Iba ang nagagawa when you actually accept European coaches or outside coaches
See,
into your
see.
system, man.
Mm.
So,
Hey, the PBA, is this on?
hey,
Yeah.
The baby, is this on?
dude, because I'm so sorry. I don't want to mispronounce his name, so I won't say it. But our coach is not Filipino, not in the slightest. But
Si ano, Angelino Frigoni, right?
yeah, Frigoni,
Pegoni.
dude, he's best friends with the head coach of Italy. If I'm correct, I'm not sure if it's Italy
Mm.
or no, it's Italy. It's Italy. Um, this is what experience brings you, diba? Kaya nga medyo
Mhm.
weird na there are times where we don't even allow foreign coaches to coach in our own leagues. Kasi sa totoo lang, man, it adds so much to a game.
Yeah.
I I don't believe the men's team has performed at this level under any other coach. And that's not a knock on any other coach. That's just how much experience Coach Fergoni has. So yeah,
Pegoni.
yeah. So
Yeah.
man, I just hope this is like an eye opener in many ways. Number
Mhm.
one, eye opener. Hey, let's let local coach. Maybe foreign coaches aren't that bad of a thing, which I think nobody believes is a bad thing in the first place. That's number
Brother,
two.
meron naman talagang foreign coaches eh. Ginagawa lang team consultant pero siya ay nakatayo lagi, di ba?
Sino ba?
Mm.
Si ano? Si
Oh, tas tatasan niya na naman yung bill namin. I'm
ah
just saying.
Tatasas.
sabi. And then second to that is, hey man, we know basketball is the main love of this country. It's always been, probably will be for the longest time. But dude,
Always will be.
vo volleyball is coming up so fast, and it's getting really fun. We have the Sea Games, we have the Sea Games. So I don't know any of the other next tournaments.
Yeah, the SEA
Ooh, we
Games.
have the SEA game.
Yeah, Sea Games and the other Sea Games. But yeah, it's
The
not just
other
the
SEA
men's,
games sa
dude.
putik.
Even the women's team when was great second to the last time we saw them, man. So yeah, it's getting really good for the volleyball
Also, what I
people.
learned from Alas Men's is that this is the kind of preparation you want from a national team. Right?
Yes.
Ibang klaseng preparation ginawa nila. Hindi lang yung
Bro,
2 months, 1 month.
e-
I heard 16 months.
exclusive. Exclusive yan, brother. Parang
It's crazy.
You stop when there are tournaments, both men and women. You stop. You don't join your mother clubs. because
Yeah.
that's the kind of preparation that you do. It's not like a
Sa
2 week
women's din, ganun.
preparation.
Diba?
Oh, di ba? It doesn't matter kung hindi kayo mag-champion sa mother league nyo. You have a duty with the
Parang tough
national
luck.
team. Di
Which
ba?
in turn makes other players in the teams step up. Okay, wala si Main. 'Di ba? Doon ka nakaka-discover
Yeah.
ng mga hidden
Mhm.
gems eh.
Yeah, dude, like Kennedy Batas was on the Alas roster
That is
before
right.
the final cuts, and while he was out, Ateneo was fielding in a lot of was fielding in what's his name, Miguel Yu.
Yeah.
He was a
Di
rookie
ako lang
last
kilala.
year. Yeah, yeah. I'm not sure. Hey, Graham, I'm sure you know this guy.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, and Miguel Yu has started to show out na rin for Ateneo. It
So the
should
confidence talaga. Give
Nico
them
makes a very
reps.
good point, man. These people will have wow,
Mhm.
I made yeah.
Oh!
These people will
Nagbibinata
have the
yung bunso.
opportunity. Yeah. Oh my God! No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
These people will have the opportunity that they probably never had before, and that's massive, especially when they're really looking for an opportunity na lang talaga. Like Sonny
That is
Estil,
right.
like Sonny Estil,
Yeah.
brother. I watched him
Brother,
kanina.
I'm gonna give an example. Noong what's that? 2019, di ba? Kevin Durant was out. There was one guy whose name Steph Curry who suddenly stepped up. So when your star is out, a nobody suddenly shows up.
Yeah. Rage bait. The rage bait is
Gigana
Eh,
sa akin yan.
crazy.
I'm the last guy na
The
gigana sa akin yan.
rage bait
Ops,
I
is
wait
crazy.
lang.
got you.
Oh, sige.
Let's move
I
on now
have
to the last. Wait, we
okay,
have
go ahead.
one more topic.
Fine,
We're
fine,
kind of
fine.
this. Masyadong tumatagal sa alas. PBA Power Rankings. Before the start of
Ah,
the All
yeah.
Filipino Cup. I'll give mine na. From 1 to
Sige,
12,
sige.
SMB, number 1. Number 2, TNT. Number 3, Converge. Number 4, Jin. 5, Ross. 6, Meralco. 7,
Keep
Enlex.
going.
8, Magnolia. 9, Phoenix. 10, Blackwater. 11, Pure Blends. Actually, sorry. 10, Pure Blends, which is Northport. 11, Blackwater. And then 12, Terra Firma.
All
That's
right, all
my
right.
12.
All
That's my 12. Pasok pa
right.
rin, Enlex.
Graham, ikaw muna kasi I'm still making mine.
Ah,
You're still making a
um,
Kramer, ang putik.
I didn't
all
know we
right.
were actually giving power rankings. Thought we were just gonna talk about
We
the.
just literally,
That's my bad. That's my bad.
We
That's my
talked
bad.
about it, brother, 5 minutes before the episode.
even...
That's my
Oh,
bad.
anyway, go, go, go.
One
Graham.
is SMB. One is
Okay, yeah,
SMB.
yeah, yeah. All Filipino kasi
Uh,
next eh. Yeah.
yep, that is right. Two is TNT. Yeah.
Okay. Same tayo
So
dun.
far, good. No hate. Three, Hinebra.
Okay, gets ko rin naman. Why have...
Four,
I
Tama
just
naman.
laughed. I just laughed.
Converge.
Number 4,
Four
Converge.
is
Okay, nag-switch lang
Converge.
tayo. Nag-switch lang tayo.
Yeah. If
Hmm.
Mikey plays, we'll switch. I'll switch Converge to three, Hinebra to four. Five is Ross. Six is Meralco. Actually, yeah. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung draft ng NLEX. Meralco is 6.
Mm.
7
Yeah.
is NLEX. 8 Magnolia.
Same tayo. Same. Like, 8 lang sa akin
Yeah.
Magnolia din.
Yeah.
Again, kasi new
Yeah.
coach din. Di mo alam paano things are.
It's not hate, brother. It's fact. 9,
It's...
I have
This man,
uh
this guy said as facts. Like, it's not hate.
Phoenix. I have Phoenix at 9.
Oh.
And then Blackwater at 10. Terra Firma at 11 and then Pure Blends at 12. Did you see the
Really?
circles that they just made?
O
Brother,
ano?
nakita mo ba? Che, hindi yung taong nilalagay nila sa Northport eh. Do you expect that team to be serious? No.
What did
So,
you say?
have them Pure Blends.
No, I
Coach
mean like
na yata si
go lang.
Si
sila coach.
John Cardell.
Yeah, 'di ba? Oh,
Daw
hindi
pinalitan
ganun
na
din,
yun.
pinaikot
But
lang
he
nila.
was... Oh, well.
I
Yeah.
know.
Gets.
Gets ko naman yung point ni Graham. Gets ko yung point ni Graham.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
basketball gods
Mario.
will rain down
Okay.
on their parade.
Number 1 is Phoenix. They just signed Prince Caperal. That thing is that in terms of power rankings, brother. Come on. Now I'm just kidding. Number 1.
Prince
Number
Cameron.
1. I
Si
think is
patron saint of the Six Man Podcast.
hey brother,
Saint
Prince
Prince
Caperal, brother.
Cameron.
I vouch for you so hard. I still believe you were the rookie of the year. Um, even if they tell me you're not, I still believe you are.
So
Anyways.
if they're daw sa bubble si Prince.
Oh, anyway,
Number one,
Prince Kaperan.
SMB. SMB. Come on.
Oh,
Star-studded team, didn't lose anybody, still has Wami Chongson, and then added
Chris
Chris
Miller
Miller.
pa.
Yeah. So that's
Who?
number one. Number two, TNT. Didn't
Okay,
lose
TNT.
anything, gets healthier,
They
no
lost
problem.
Eram.
Oh yeah, no boy.
Where's he?
CLC injury
ACL.
niya.
But
ACL.
Castro
I
may be
thought,
coming back.
akala
But
ko
si
you said
Castro may be
lost. I thought he
coming back.
got traded. I
No,
didn't
bro.
realize,
I
man.
mean, he's just the ACL is
He's
just
gone.
like
He's
Yeah,
gone for the year.
I
But
mean, that's what
Castro may
happens
be
when you
back.
force people to play. That's what happens when you force people to play in a series you don't have a chance with. But anyway,
anyway.
number three, Converge. I love Hinebra, but the fact Converge got Juan Gomez de Leano and didn't lose anything except
With the
for Brian
possibility of
Santos
Mikey
fourth,
coming back. With the possibility.
even without
Mm.
Mikey, I don't really give a
Three pa rin
flying
ko
fuck.
sila. Ito, yung ranking ko also converge without Mikey.
Yeah. That's my number three.
Reyes.
Is Juan. I just is Converge. Number four is Hinebra.
Oh, number
I wish
4.
I could put them higher, but the
It is what it is.
draft pick I was
At wala
excited
si
about him.
Jamie. There's no Jamie. Wala
Yeah,
na rin si
exactly. They lost
Jamie.
Jamie, and then the draft pick Graham was really excited about si Barasi. They let go right away. So
Si
so
Barasi. Oh, gets yun na ba?
hey man,
Tawa-tawa, diba?
I watched Sunny Estil kanina sa MPBL.
O ano? Ano
I
nakita mo?
I I understand where Coach Tim is coming from. I still think it's a reach at number seven, but
11.
7.
I
We're the 11.
at
7-11 naman
11,
naisip to. Gutom na to.
yeah, sorry. Pero seven.
7-11.
Seven was anyway. Oh, no, sorry, medyo gutom ako.
We'll get there. We'll get
Gutom
there in a
nga
few
siya.
minutes.
7-11 iniisip
Yeah,
nito.
yeah,
Oh,
and then yeah, but I do believe that Abyss will be a big addition to Ginebra.
Sean
Um,
Abyss.
Number five, I have Ross. Uh, they have a lot of good additions this year sa rookie talent nila. Number six, sige na. I have NLEX. I have NLEX at number six above Meralco. Bolik, Kevin, Brandon, and Cyrus Torres another year under his belt. Tapos may LJ Gonzalez pa, you know. I hope NLEX is excited for LJ. Meralco is Meralco. I think they're middle of the pack team. Although, who did they get sa draft this year, yung Meralco?
Kun.
No,
Hold on. Wait. Um. Wait. Was it Kun?
it wasn't Kuhn. Kuhn
No.
was fourth.
Si
NLEX
Brickman. Si
LJ.
Brickman pala. No,
Who
no,
are
no.
you
Si
talking about?
Brickman.
NLEX?
No,
Meralco.
no.
Meralco.
Meralco.
Meralco got
Si
brick.
Brickman. Si
Brickman.
Brickman pala.
Yeah, that's fine. And then Magnolia. If Yuki Andrada was playing this conference, I would have had them higher. But because
Mm.
he's not, okay na yun dun. Phoenix, because Prince Capital, Pure Blends, I know, Blackwater for me, Pure Blends, and then Terrafirm.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey,
Okay.
that's not me trying to shit on Terrafirma. I love Gio Chu, and I think he probably
Eh,
should
oh,
have
it's
been
not
first.
definitely on Gio. It's more
It's
of the
not on
team as well.
Gio, it's just
It's
the
this is
rest of it.
definitely not. Yeah.
Yeah, what
From
Louis
the
Sang
top,
Galang
from the
and
management to the
yeah.
top. From the top to, mostly on the
So
top.
we agree, no? We agree on the top 8, no? Ang yun lang, actually,
Nag-switch lang ang
especially the top
Converge at
4. The
Jin.
top 4.
Top four, I
I,
think we have the same four.
which,
Nag-switch lang yung Convergent.
we actually
Well,
have the
tayo
same
Mario
top
same.
8.
Si, ay hindi,
I think we have the
same
same.
tayo ng,
Same
Convergent.
team, but
3-4, di ba?
Rumble, Rumble.
Guys,
Convergent.
there are only 12 teams. It's not that hard to have the same top eight.
I
But
agree with that.
the top four thing, me, Nico were the same sa Converge, I think, over
Oo.
Ginebra.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna hate on Graham for that, bro. He's a Ginebra fan. I'm not gonna.
No,
You're lucky he didn't put them at
yeah.
number one. You're
I,
lucky.
my that's true. My argument is if they see each other in a 7-game series, who you bet, diba? With your
Yeah.
mind, not with your heart, diba? With your mind, still Nebra. So that's the only reason I have him 3 over Converge. I know you're shaking your head, Nico. And if you don't mind, guys, we did a
Oh,
mock draft, diba?
oh shit.
Couple of weeks ago,
Sige, end it with this.
before the
End with
draft.
this. Bibigyan kita ng ano. Binigyan na kita ng ano, screen
If you
sharing
can
ano.
allow me to share my screen, I will.
By the
Um,
way, just a side note, I'm surprised none of you made the Prince Caparel joke before me. I was expecting that.
Oh, that's your token joke eh. Hindi namin kukunin
bro,
yan. Sa'yo yan eh.
that's your trophy.
I
Sa'yo
love
yan.
Hey,
Bakit kukunin yung thunder mo?
brothers,
O yan,
I just shared my
paki-explain.
screen. Okay. So here's how it goes. We did the mock draft, diba? Of course, we're not prophets, but there will be one at the end of the episode. So we did the point system. Hindi naman namin makukuha lahat yan, diba? So if you made the right pick, then you get 1 point. That's on you. If you did not make the right pick, then you have points. Pero minimal lang. 0.8 if the players drafted 1 pick higher or lower. 0.6, 2 picks or higher or
Cute
lower,
ni
so on
Mama
and so
Kino
forth.
dyan
For
sa ano.
example, yeah, diba? On the right. For example, you pick one, we all pick one Gomez Diliani to go number 1. You got pick number 2. We got 0.8 points for that. Get Chris Kuhn, pick number 6 overall, but he got picked 4th. Then we get 0.6 points because that's 2 drafts higher than we projected him to be. Got the idea?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Then we move to the actual picks. Let's start with
This guy
the
really
founder,
tracked
the leader of
everything.
the show. Yeah, the leader of the show, brother. Nico Rocha. Juan Gomez Diliano, I don't fault you. We have him at number 1. That's fine. Didn't get picked first. Brickman, massive fall, di ba? You get 0.1 point
Mahal
for
nga.
that. Will also got a massive drop. Spoiler alert, the only profit mode in this draft, Chris Kuhn at number 4 because he's pushing agenda. He got it.
He was pushing
He
agendas.
got it.
Because he was
He
pushing
got
massive
it, brother.
agendas.
He got it. And then Gio Chu, I don't know what's going on. You don't know ball pick of the draft. Gio Chu going at number 5 to NLEX. 0.2 points for that. You should have gotten -5, to be honest with you, brother. But I love you. LJ Gonzalez at 6.
May atraso ba ako sa'yo? Ba't mo inaano?
Oh, brother, you picked Gio Chu at 5. That's a mortal sin. LJ Gonzalez at 6.
It was an agenda pick. It was an agenda pick.
Agenda pick nga yun.
That's right. LJ at 6 actually got 5th picked by index number 5, diba? Dalf, massive rise heading into the draft, maingay ng pangalan niya. And then there was a drought by Nico. Inot, 32nd. Dumont, 27th. Umali, 18th. Ladis Nepalam, 42nd to Meralco. And then Manaytay, 2 picks above, diba? Maaga na pick si Christian Manaytay.
Good yung
To our
Christian
surprise.
Manaytay ko.
So you get 0.6 for that. You can, I don't know, brother, how you can drop in your draft, but you do you, brother.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Yeah, Monhe, just a little bit high for my liking, and you get the idea, diba? Kuahao actually was a bit close.
Teka lang.
Yeah.
Medyo OA yung Small Martin undrafted. Di kasi siya nakasama sa draft.
Hindi siya nakasama because of papers.
It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. The only undrafted.
May
Spoiler,
kudeta dito sa
the-
podcast ito. Gusto mo maging leader?
The only other undrafted. Yeah, the only undrafted pick. So Nico had the profit and the undrafted picks of this draft. Let's move to Mario. Almost the same, you know. Number 1, break
Told
number
me
2.
check the best.
Yeah.
Did you gonna?
Yeah. Notice the drought from 10 to 13. That's when you guys yung scouting yung what do we recall that, yung
That's why we're
mind
podcasters.
reading nyo.
That's why we're
Yeah.
podcasters.
That's right. And then another
You don't get paid
massive
for this, Graham.
massive drought, brother. Massive drought. Look at the droughts, brother. And then I'm gonna move to the profit. If you don't have
False
any
prophet.
questions.
You keep removing the false.
This guy just
I
screamed
get
same prophet. This guy just screamed same prophet.
I get the first round, diba? I get the first round. Halos same time. Look at this. Chris Miller. Nobody picked Chris Miller. Christian Manaytay. That's fine. Barasi,
Mario
brother.
Barasi ang close
I
niya ng
was
Mario
2
Barasi.
picks away from nailing the Barasi. How about Christian Umali?
Who's Christian
How about
Umali?
Christian Umali?
Who's Christian
Son.
Umali? It's Sean Umali.
I don't know. Sean Umali
Prophet.
pala, my bad. No, no, no.
Gumawa ka naman ng
Sean
kapatid,
Umali.
pre.
Sean Umali. Pick 18. I had him at 17. How close was that? How about magbuhos?
This
About
guy.
See, how about
This guy made a
Moni?
whole segment to suck his own cock, dude.
Hindi yun.
Sucks
All I'm
naman.
saying, all I'm saying is the first ever 6-month pod profit is me.
No
It's
way.
me.
No way.
I got 6.2 points.
No
Nico
AI,
way.
got
brother. Pero what?
4.5 and Mario got 4.2. I actually got 6.9 points, which is a nice number, by the way. So,
No
Hey man,
way.
Mario here the best though. Kapatid ni Bam.
No way.
6.9 points for me. Nice number.
No.
Nico had 4.5 and you had 4.2.
Ang
That's it.
dami.
Ilang
Brother,
points ka, Grim? Anong points mo?
6.9. Nice.
Dayo. Nice ka pa. Nice points mo.
Brother, I'm a scout, PBA teams. If you're hiring, man. Joner Clarito since
Oh, we
I've been
do know the
watching him
number
since
Magnolia would
2021.
never hire you. That's one. That's one team off
That's
the...
brother,
that's true.
I can't believe he brought out an edited picture of him as a prophet. I'm done, man. It's 12. It's
I think
nearing
that
12 a.m. I'm done.
is the end of
Let's
the
go.
podcast. So guys, follow 5 Star Radio on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe. Please send in your questions.
Yeah.
If umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, sa pinned comment, we had fun. See you all
Yeah.
next. I think we'll try to do this once every 2 weeks. Of course, this
Yeah.
UAP season, Mario and I will have post-game shit when it comes to
Oh yeah,
UAP.
tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'm oh, sorry, you guys probably won't see this until Monday, I'm
Tomorrow.
assuming.
I'm uploading this 11:30 tomorrow. What do you
In the
prefer?
morning?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Monday na lang. It's a
off air.
mailbag eh. So it's
Yeah,
at Monday na lang.
off air, I'll tell you something. Off air, I'll tell you something.
Alright.
Anyway.
See you
Yeah,
guys.
so we'll see you guys UAAP podcasts. And I'm not sure if na-upload na yun kay Koji Buenaflor sa UST.
Uploaded na
But
lahat.
check all those previews out. Season starts on my time right now tomorrow. Good luck to all teams, and yeah.
Alright. See
Especially
you
UE.
boys.
Peace.
Wala bang adios
Adios
amigos for UE?
amigos. Peace UE fans.